Pass to Bautista. Bautista for 3. Kadernal, kinuha ang bola. Nag-iisip ng play. Shot by Bautista. Bautista for 3. Bautista, nag-iisip ng play. What a good pass by Mendoza. Foul. Who's foul direct? 32.
Check.
Bautista inbounding the ball. Back to Arizo.
Check.
Back to Bautista. Bautista for 3. Good shot.
Oh!
Back to Bautista. Bautista for 3. Good shot. To Mendoza. Back to Bautista. Screen. Kung ano screen. Floater to. Good shot.
Shooter!
Bautista for 3.